Guys, this is the platform I use for my what's the name, curious cat survey. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Guru. If this is your first time, please do well to subscribe our channel. So like I said, this is the platform I use for my curious cats. I'll be dropping the link in the description below, or also check the comment below. So here's how to go about it. If you are new, please do well to register. When you register, you click on the login part and register. You understand? When you visit the website geonix.com, I'll be dropping the website. You understand? Then you click on sign up. After you sign up, they'll bring you to here. What you need to do is to click on resident order. When you click on resident order, so far I've bought 13 gigabyte and I have spent 10.2 gigabyte. You understand? So I'm just showing you guys my statistic usage of my bandwidth, and I've been using this platform for what my curious cat. I've enjoyed it and I've made a lot from it. So if you want to like add fund, if you want to add fund, you can add gigabit pay as you go. If you want to do pay as you go, that is 1 gigabyte. You purchase it, pay as you go. Okay, that is 1 GB for $3. You can go for it. Then what is the purpose? Other purpose. You can put other purpose. And what is your specific service? You go for PayPal. Then you can make your payment. You understand? You're good to go. You can make your payment. You can pay view, MasterCard if you have dollar card, if you have PayPal funds, if you have USDT, TRC20, if you have BTC or LTC. The most cheapest is LTC. You can use LTC to fund. LTC is the most cheapest, so you can just click on LTC and click on if there's not agree, you can agree. Then it will direct you to where you are going to make payments. You understand? So it's going to direct you to where it will generate a LTC wallet code. You understand? So here you can just come here and pick currency and come back LTC. Then you click on purchase whatever. Then you click on this LTC code and go to your crypto wallet and fund it. You need to add charges. Normally some charges are there on your crypto wallet, but you need to have more than 0.02830 on your crypto wherever. This is how much you're going to fund, but you need to do your conversion there and your statistical wherever calculations before you put this balance. So this is how to make your fund. You can also use what's your credit card. You can as well use your credit card. You understand? If you want to use your credit card, and so on and so forth. So these are the proxies I bought so far. So I bought this proxy so far, and also you can add credit. How can you buy your your IP is there in the other videos. You can go and our videos. I'll be dropping most of the links in the description where you watch how we were able to buy our IP address. So you go through it. So you can see. Let me give you an example of how much I've make. And I bought how much? I bought 13 gigabytes. Whatever. So look at it. I still have 87. That is 8.7 pounds. So here's the cash out. Wherever. Sorry. Transaction. Here's how much I've made so far. You can see I've made 12. Let's do a calculation. Let's see how much I made so far. So let's see. I made 12.01 pounds plus come here 17.10 pounds plus 10 point what 10.18 pounds plus, let's see, 8.0 what 5 plus 5.77 plus 8.7. What is the balance? 8.7. That is 876 is 8.7. If you want to convert, if you want to see this how to go about it, so you can see 8.76. I've not withdrawn it, but I'll soon withdraw it. 8.76. So I've made 61.87 pounds total times Let me just put 2,000. So I mean 123,740 with just what? With just what? With just this bandwidth, this 13 GB. I've made 120 what? 3,740. So how are you going to do now? Let's do some calculation. Per dollar, we have 123.7, right? 123.7. So let's say per dollar we are buying dollar 1,550 or 1,500, 530, and let's say 530 times 13. So I spent 19,890 minus 123,740 or 30. 123 what? Let's see. Okay. 61. Sorry. 61.87. It's 7 times. Sorry. 2,000 minus from here. Okay. All right. So far I've made 122,850 using this bandwidth. What it means. That's how much I've spent so far on the bandwidth. So guys, I advise you do well to make use of Geonix. Geonix is the best for your curious cards. Those that want to do Geonix, you can do 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is just $3. So you're good to go. So this is how much I consume what? 13 GB, and here's how much I earn. Around something thousand with just 13 GB. That is costing 19,000 something, and I have to subtract it from what I'm getting because the conversion rate of pounds is high. So you are making a lot of money. So use your head very well. So once again, do well to subscribe to the platform and turn on your notification bell for more updates like this and how to analyze your proxy. So I'll be dropping my referral link so that you can register and also buy your Geonix. You understand? You buy your Geonix, enjoy it. You're not buying for me, you're buying for yourself. Understand? So, and that's all. Enjoy yourself.